Lieutenant General Kayanja Mhanga okugamba by'okwirinda bya Congo n'obwabeera lya mukoro ogw'okuhindura abaduumizi ba Operation Shujaa obwo obuduumizi obw'ekikwekweto eki burikuruga omu mikono ya Major General Richard Otto burikuza omu mikono ya Major General James Birungi. Omukoro ogwo gubeire aha mbuga nkuru za Mounted Division ezirikushangwa omu nkambi y'Amahe ya Muhoti omu Rembo Fort Portal.
This operation I can show you is a success.
Asante sana.
That's why here you will see even the Congolese now are Eastern DRC. They are sleeping very well in their homes. Just a few far away where you hear they are trying to reappear, but it's a very weakened force now. So here we are. Everything has been done. So I want to congratulate the commanders and our forces in the DRC, including the Congo Army, because we work together.
Abaiheri ya UPDF bakwatanise n'amahe ga Congo omwaka gw'Enkumi-2020 bakatandika w'ekikwekweto ekibayetsire Operation Shujaa n'ekigendererwa ekyokurwanisa abazahambuki ba ADF okubaiha omu bukiika bw'eihanga erya Congo. Major General Otto omu kugamba kwe bwanyuma y'okuheerezayo obuduumizi bwa Operation Shujaa atendereise abantu baburiijo okuruga omu ihanga erya Congo bw'okwatanisa nawe omu kurwanisa abazahambuki aba ADF.
It's not easy to operate in a foreign country, especially if you are rejected by the host community. But they supported us, we work with them, we are still with them, and we continue being with them. The two generals, more general, please, our appreciations to the support given to us by the people, and we are so grateful.
We Major General James Birungi turikuganiraho nawe araganise kwarwija kutandikiraho omukuru akomere okurwanisa abazahambuki aba.
Nigesiima abo bushoborozi kureba ngo banyisigire bankwatse ikintu nk'eki kintu cyorobi umanya iki ni kintu cya region n'ebikorwa bya ADF byose nekora mu kitwe k'eki kandi no kutugaruka inyuma ngeje gakora ibintu bingi omu mwenu nyenda kubahamiza ngo kurigirira mwembe ninkora nka Chief of Defense Intelligence and Security emenu mwegebe kwa train munonga n'ebya ADF mwenu kugobo wataho na okusupportinga kwa CLF oyo serekunu na CDF abaturimuna kandi ubu twena twaburwa command in chief nioni manyangu ADF yahwera mani
nebishweke bindi bya Uganda tukahulira bomu yona ombero bino tumazire n'aba UPDF bari Congo choka akabaho okufa ku Congo bayirukira bijya batamu Uganda bayokisomero ka CS rubiri ha secondary school nicyo choka kimwe cyakabaho kuruga abantu bane bagenda Congo.
Gashakwa Janana Tsingwire.